This high-end sports commercial did not cost $10,000. There was no production crew, no expensive camera gear, and 0 filming locations. I built this entire sequence using exactly one flat product image. But doing this right is incredibly hard. Keeping a specific product design and a single human character consistent across different environments usually breaks the AI. Today, I'm showing you the exact framework to pull this off flawlessly using a single AI video agent. Here is the problem most creators face. You generate a great image in one tool. Then you jump to a video tool to animate it. Then you move to an editor to cut it. By the time you are done, the shoe looks different, the character's face changes, and the motion looks like hot garbage. To fix this, we are using Flova. Instead of juggling 5 different apps, we are going to use its unified agent workflow to handle everything, from concept strategy to the final timeline edit. Let's build it. Okay, after creating an account on Flova AI, you'll receive free bonus credits. This is the interface you'll see once you log in. Here, you can see a variety of AI models to choose from, including GPT Image 2, Seedance, and many more. But the most important feature is skills. Instead of generating basic AI slop, skills help you create content that feels polished and production-ready. For example, you'll find skills for product commercials, short films, vlogs, and many other industry-level creative workflows that produce far more realistic results. Okay, let's get back to work. Now, instead of throwing a basic prompt at the AI, we treat Flova like our creative team. I'm asking it to create a 30-second sportswear commercial following one fictional athlete across 4 different locations. I've already written the prompt, so I'll simply copy and paste it here. Next, we need to upload our reference images for both the product and the main character. In my case, I'll use the same sneakers you saw in the intro, along with the same character to keep everything consistent throughout the commercial. Now it's time to choose the most suitable skill. Since we're creating a commercial, you could select the product commercial skill or any other relevant option. In my case, I'll choose image to beat motion video because my product is a pair of sneakers and I want the final video to emphasize athletic movement, energy, and dynamic action to create a stronger impact for the viewer. Now, you can either select your preferred models for image and video generation, or simply leave them unselected and let the AI agent choose the best combination for your project. Once everything is ready, click Generate to start the AI agent workflow. All right, now you can watch the entire generation process as the AI creates your video. Along the way, it may ask a few questions, such as which motion style you prefer, what type of background music to use, or other creative decisions that can improve the final result. You can simply choose the option you like best, or if you have something specific in mind, you can give the AI agent additional instructions while it's still working on your project. For example, here, the AI is asking me to choose the commercial video style. It gives me 3 different options to choose from. For this project, I'll go with the premium commercial mode because I already used the high impact mode in the intro, so you already know what that style looks like. Okay, while the AI agent is working on your project, it also generates a complete storyboard. Here, you can preview every scene before the final video is rendered. If you'd like to make any changes, you can provide suggestions or new ideas for individual scenes while the agent is still working. That's one of my favorite features because it genuinely feels like you're collaborating with a real content creator instead of just using a traditional AI generator. All right, friends, the AI agent has now taken us to the timeline. This means all of the shots for our commercial have been generated, including the background music. Everything should now come together as a premium, hyper-realistic commercial. From here, you can either edit the video manually using the built-in timeline, or simply ask the AI agent to make changes to specific scenes, transitions, or even the audio. As I mentioned earlier, you no longer need to jump between multiple tools for different parts of the workflow. Everything can be done in one place. Now let's play it back and see how it turned out. We just transformed a single flat image into a multi-scene, broadcast-ready commercial. If you're still juggling multiple AI tools and spending hundreds of dollars on a fragmented workflow, it might be time to simplify things. Flova brings together over 20 leading AI models, an AI creative agent, and a professional editing suite, all in one platform for just $19 per month. If you'd like to try it yourself, click the exclusive link in the first line of my video description. You'll receive 100 credits instantly, plus an additional 200 bonus credits just for exploring the platform. Let me know in the comments what kind of product or workflow you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.